Are you in Saudi Arabia and your VPN isn't working? Don't worry, you're not alone. VPNs aren't illegal in Saudi Arabia, but the government heavily restricts them. Let's look at why this happens and how to fix it. Why VPNs don't work. Saudi Arabia blocks certain VPN servers and restricts access to apps and websites like WhatsApp, VoIP services, gambling platforms, and sites critical of the government. Other reasons include outdated VPN software, incorrect setup, and blocked or crowded servers. How to fix VPN issues. 1. Try a different server. Your server might be blocked or crowded. Open your VPN, check the server list, and switch to another country or region. Test the connection. 2. Clear your browser cookies. Cookies can reveal your location and block access. Clear cached images, cookies, and site data in your browser. 3. Update your VPN client. Old VPN versions can have bugs. Check for updates in your app or on the provider's website. Download the latest version and restart the VPN. 4. Switch VPN protocols. Protocols like OpenVPN or WireGuard are more reliable in bypassing restrictions. Open your VPN settings, select a different protocol, and reconnect. 5. Enable VPN obfuscation. Obfuscation makes VPN traffic look like regular internet traffic. Turn on stealth mode in your VPN settings. 6. Use split tunneling. Split tunneling lets you choose which apps use the VPN, enable it, and select the apps that need protection. 7. Change your VPN provider. If nothing else works, switch to a reliable VPN like ExpressVPN. It uses strong encryption, has servers in 105 countries, and consistently works in Saudi Arabia. VPNs aren't illegal, but using them to access blocked content can lead to fines of up to 1 million Saudi riyals. Always use VPNs responsibly. VPNs not working in Saudi Arabia can be frustrating, but with these steps, you can get back online securely. Update your VPN, switch servers or protocols, enable obfuscation, or choose a trusted provider like ExpressVPN.